In the vast and abundant universe, the Earth nurtures all living things with its unique vitality. And this vibrant land, Josem Environment consistently adheres to technological innovation, driven by comprehensive expertise, committed to become a leader in indoor environmental solutions. Bring together cutting-edge technological resources and collaborating with top-tier research institutions. Josem Environment has established 3 major R&D centers. By combining advanced air treatment technology theories with years of industry experience, we provide industrial support and intellectual backing for technological innovation. This drives continuous breakthroughs in new technologies and materials, resulting in the acquisition of over 170 core technology patents. With efforts of more than 400 professional technicians, we have successfully launched over 20 series and more than 100 product specifications, comprehensively meeting the diverse needs of industrial production, commercial applications, and household application. In industrial applications such as lithium batteries, pharmaceuticals, photovoltaics, food, chemicals, wind power, and bridge and shape painting, we focus on customer needs and customized solutions. Our products, known for ultra-low doom points, high airflow and intelligent energy savings, have earned customer trust. In commercial environments such as malls, supermarkets, and storage facilities, the excellent performance of our products make them invaluable assets to the industry. In household application, we remove moisture and creating a healthy and comfortable living environment for families. Josem Environment has established 4 major production bases globally, covering nearly 100,000 square meters of production area, with a monthly output value exceeding 100 million yuan. The delivery center coordinates production, providing strong professional support for the rapid delivery of products. We have set up 10 service centers in countries of China, Germany, Hungary, the United States, and Singapore, etc. to provide comprehensive services to global customers by over 20 years of professional dehumidification experience and extensive service experience with leading enterprises to provide comprehensive services to global customers. Josem Environment upholds the core values of refine, enable, accomplishment, virtue, continually driving corporate progress and leading industrial development, boosting world industrial green production, facilitating harmonious families' healthy living. Josem Environment looks forward to collaborating with more like-minded partners to create a wonderful new era.